Alright, so this is the first video I'm recording on my SanDisk 256 SD card. This mainly is, though this is not, this is another 256 SD card that I have, but I'm not going to be using this mainly for that. I'm going to be using this in a DJI, but for right now I have everything. I just got back from Bolivia yesterday. I'm copying all my videos from that to a big hard drive that's 6 terabytes big. So, yeah, that one's unfortunately in use right now, so I'm using my backup one right now. This one kind of is backup. Anyways, I came across this this back, kind of, I don't know how you say it, like HVAC heaven, and we got all sorts of units, so get ready. Ream Custom High Efficiency. This one's a beast, it looks like. Got some leaves in there and stuff. It's July 31st today. And I don't know what motor it has a old style GE motor. Damn, I don't even know where it doesn't even have a date on it. It's so vintage. It's cool. Carrier Tech 2000. We got some old and new ones, by the way, yeah. Hey, yo, Smith. Motor. Condensation dripping right here. Yeah, that's good. 1989, 4-ton. It's a good unit. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take a picture of this. A Goodman, let's see. This is like an older Goodman CPLE Goodman. Has a Copeland scroll, so I bet this sounds awesome. Oh wait, are these heat pumps actually? Nah, they're not heat pumps. That has not been running. I cannot tell, but I'm pretty sure that's CPLE. This one right here, it's a little newer. This is like 2018, 2019. Has a Copeland Emerson scroll. Ooh, nice insulation. Oh, that's working great. 2020, 3.5 ton GSX14. Yeah, I'm coming over to a treat here. Here's this very new Goodman right here. This one's like from 2023 or whatever. This is the G4 something, whatever. This is pristine Copeland Emerson scroll. It actually was just running. I think I heard this thing shut off before. I have another camera in my pocket. Broad ocean fan motor, you can see that clear as day. Yep, 2023 as I thought. 3.5 ton GS. Yeah, that's right. GSX and 4 or GX. I'm getting confused now. GSXN 4. GSXN. So yeah, those ones right there. We got some more. We still got a lot more to go. A GMC has a 4-blade motor, or 4-blade fan. That's a Copeland scroll. It's not been running. 2010. VSX 13, 3.5 ton. Here's a Goodman, regular Goodman. This is also 4-blade. That's a Copeland scroll. And these are all straight cools, so not revisiting this place. But yeah, this is a GSC 13. actually don't know when it's from. It's probably like 2013, 14, whatever. Here's this one, this GMC right here. It's running right now. It's a little bit slower. Sounds nice. 2012 VSX 13 5-ton, and that is doing a perfect well. There's a Copeland scroll that tells you that it has that inside. A Goodman. This one's like the one that was at Water Dam from Climate Force HVAC resemblance. So yeah, those are Concords now. Everything there at Water Dam, Augusta, Maine, right there, that is all Concord. That is a I would like to, I don't even know, three ton? I guess 3 ton. I don't know. Over here we got two Payne air conditioners running. I'm glad I found these. These are really nice units. I like this brand. There we go. We got it snapped on now. Wow, Ocean, that air is hot. And also, that's like blowing away out the side. See, I'm not even sure what compressor that is. It's probably an LG, maybe, I don't know. 2013 PA 13 5-ton. This other one right here. This one has a white Payne logo. Scroll. Some camera. $20, 3.5 ton. PA 14. So that's a 14 SEER. That's a 13 SEER. Alright. Now we have a really interesting unit I've never seen before. This one is really cool. I'm glad I found this. What this is over here. Fortunately, it's not running. We have an Armstrong air. But whatever the hell this unit is over here, it looks like it's slightly falling apart, but it looks like it has a Copeland scroll. Yeah, I have no idea. A GE fan motor. And this thing is still, yeah, we're still in the straight cool category. And yeah, I have no idea. It has R4 still has R4 108. It's from, but apparently it's from 2005. And it's a 3-ton RSG 3-ton. And I literally have no idea what this brand is. If anyone in the HVAC enthusiast community can tell me, that'd be great, because that would be awesome. Yeah, but Armstrong air, maybe this is an Armstrong air, or wait, oh wait, no, I've seen units that look like this. I've seen Amana units. Forget, is it Prestige? I had to look at the name again. It's one of those, I'll put like the text up here or something once I look up the name of it, what I'm thinking. But here, anyways, here's this Armstrong air. Pretty sure that's a Copeland scroll. Got like fan motor. That power line is easily moved. I think 2016. That's a 5-ton. That's a model number 4SCU 13 CU. So yeah, Armstrong air right there. Maybe it's 2010. I'm not sure. And this one. older Goodman. I don't know what this is right here. This one seems to have a low capacitor, because take a look at this fan, how slow it's going right here. Like, this is not good. GE fan motor. And this has some kind of capacitor problem, I see. At least it's cooling well. I don't know when that's from. This one is probably, this one's 2007 5-ton SSX. But yeah, that's crazy. And then this one over here, that's 4-blade. Open the scroll. I don't know what motor that is. It was running though. 2015, I think. This is a 3.5-ton GSX 14. And over here, these are the last like 4, no, actually 5. This one of these carriers was running right here, but we got this and this right here. LG scroll, one of these could scare me. Let's start up. Broad Ocean fan motor. 2020, 5-ton. Just like the one at Arc of Loudon. The school grounds that I've filmed up many, many times before, you may remember. Copeland Emerson scroll. Broad Ocean. This is right next to a window. I don't know. Oh shit. 2022, 3.5-ton. It was just running. Yeah, that was the one that was just running. So yeah. But yeah. Oh, one of those turned off over there. Let me quickly go over here because there are some windows. I don't know if people are working inside of them, but here's a Daikin. 2-ton RZR. Serial number. It's from 2021. Yeah, 2-ton. And here we go. In there. Freaking wasp in there. I don't know if that's a wasp or not. Yeah, I'm gonna get tacked or not. That's cold. And a carrier performance and a carrier comfort. And then one little mini split over there. This one is low. I'm not gonna move it. Shit, there's people. I'm doing. It is a Thursday, so these people are here. Open Emerson scroll. Broad Ocean fan motor. 2016, 3.5-ton. And that one is a 2014 5-ton. Has not been running. Sorry, I had to get away quickly because there was someone in there. Last over here, here's a Daikin. That's off. Nice thing. Was not running. These are tiny. This is a 1-ton from 2013. Glad these actually have the dates. So yeah. Well, that's it. HVAC heaven. Or I call it HVAC. Actually, I'm gonna put this in HVAC heaven and HVAC varieties. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and over and out.